So, where can I find Buhari? Yes, the Asorok. Where is Asorok?
Well, Asorok
Yeah.
is at Asokoro.
Why did you laugh when I asked you where I can
Because
find
there are many people looking for Buhari.
There are too many people looking for Buhari. Me, I'm looking for Buhari too.
I wonder why
like to
all
see
of you
Buhari.
are looking for Buhari.
Eh?
I wonder why all of you are looking for Buhari.
He's my president, right? So I have the right to see my
The
president.
way people are looking for him these days, even him is afraid to see you people.
So which road leads to Aso Road?
That is where we are. That is where we are heading to now.
Right now, okay. Because I really want to see Buhari. Very important. You get it, right?
Well, I will take you to his security this thing. Then the rest of the whole show depends on you and them. Then you will tell them why you want to see Buhari.
Yes, that's my president. Even for no reason, I can still want to see him. I have good reasons. You get it? So where are we now?
We are in Maitama. This place is Maitama. And you have Maitama extension. You understand? Then you have the first Maitama. The Maitama extension is a layout. A layout that was created, a second layout of Maitama that was created after this particular layout.
Yeah.
So basically, right now we are in Maitama.
Okay.
Yes.
So what's the cost of living in Abuja like?
Well, Abuja is a place that everybody, can, can integrate. What I mean by that is that you can choose to live where it's expensive. You can choose to live where that is less expensive. You can choose to live where the middle class are living.
So where is like the most expensive place to live in Abuja?
Maitama, Asokoro.
Yes. Here now.
Warimpa. Yes. And Wuse. Then and Gozape. Although Gozape is also a part of Asokoro.
Yeah.
So these areas.
Very expensive.
If you don't own your own house there and you want to rent, these areas are very, very expensive.
Like how much can you rent an apartment here?
That depends on what you are looking at.
Like one bed.
Well,
1 bedroom flat.
In Maitama, if you want to get a 1 bedroom, you should have about 1.something million.
Like $1.5 million for for a year.
Yes.
Okay. So what about that is in all the expensive places in Abuja? If you want to live there, right? You can get like 1.5.
It differs, and another factor depends on who owns the property.
Yeah. Okay.
Yes. So it's not.
Make it cheaper or more expensive.
Yeah, it's not a uniform thing. I hope you're wearing your.
Yeah, I get.
So it's not a uniform thing.
Yeah.
Yes. So this is
where we are.
We are still in Maitama. All these places are Maitama.
Okay.
You understand? All these places are Maitama.
So what about the cheaper places? If you want to live in the cheaper place in Abuja?
Some people live in Gwagwalada.
That's the cheaper place.
It's cheap.
Yeah.
Some people live, all these places are satellite towns.
What do you mean when you say satellite?
They are satellite towns. They are areas that are not inside the municipal council.
Yeah, okay.
You understand?
Yeah.
Some people live in Buhari, some people live in Kubwa, some people live in Kuje.
Yeah.
You understand? These places you can get cheaper apartments.
Yeah.
Like where you can get self-contained 150, 250,000 for self-contained.
Okay.
Yeah. There may be a 1 bedroom apartment you can get for like 400, 500.
But very nice though.
That depends on the building as well. That depends on the building.
So what's like the cost of food?
No, the cost of food in Abuja is cheap.
For real?
Yes.
What kind of food is cheap here?
What kind of food do we have in Nigeria?
Apart
from we have rice, beans, gari,
so
onions.
How much can you get like normal plate of rice and like that?
You can get like for 500, 600.
Very good food.
Yes.
With chicken.
You go. No, how will you get
With
chicken?
cow
No,
meat.
with cow meat.
With beef.
With yes, and
500.
with goat meat.
In a local restaurant.
That is in a local restaurant. That's it. Yes, local restaurant.
So tell me, what do you like about Abuja?
Abuja is calm, and the sanity as well. You understand?
Yeah.
You understand? It's not like Lagos where everybody is in a hurry all the time and you're under pressure. As you can see right now, you can see how the road is free.
Yeah.
How everywhere is clean.
Yeah.
You can even lie down on the street. You understand?
Yeah.
So it's a part of the things that you enjoy in Abuja. You understand?
Very calm, yeah.
Yes. And it's clean as well.
I see. So tell me what you don't like about Abuja. I believe there's something you don't like about Abuja.
What I don't like about Abuja? Well, what I don't like about Abuja is generally a general problem that the whole Nigeria states are having. You understand?
Yeah.
Like in Abuja, their light condition is not different from that of other states.
Yes.
You understand?
Yeah.
Although some areas do enjoy the privilege of light more than some areas, like all these exotic areas I mentioned earlier.
Yeah.
You understand? The
Yeah.
way they give them light, you can't compare it to the way they give all these satellite towns light.
Okay,
You understand? And that's just it.
But does it last long, the electricity? Like, can you have light here for a whole day, like 24 hours?
In Abuja?
Yeah.
Well, that depends on the area. That depends on the area.
Yeah.
But you know, in Nigeria, it's difficult for you to have light for a whole day. You understand? It's difficult. So,
For a whole day.
yes. So
You
all
always
these,
have to take it.
yes. So all these places are still Maitama.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
Are still Maitama district. You can see how cars are parked.
Yeah.
It's not like Lagos where you see vehicles
Everybody,
blocking
yeah,
road. So that is just it.
So, what is it like getting jobs in Abuja? Jobs. To get jobs. Is it easy to get jobs?
It is not, my brother.
What kind of
It
jobs
is not.
people have here?
It's basically corporate jobs.
Corporate jobs.
Yes. Abuja is a corporate city. You understand? Abuja is not a commercial hub.
Yeah.
You understand?
Like Lagos.
Like Lagos. You understand?
Yeah.
Abuja is not that way.
So where is Asorok? I was actually.
Aso
I
Rock-
told you I want to see Buhari.
Aso Rock is in what they call it.
Where?
When you go to Aso Drive.
Aso Drive. Where?
Yeah,
is it?
somehow it's a boundary between Maitama and Asokoro.
So how far is it?
The other,
it's not far from
the
here,
other
right?
way we took before we entered that Maitama is very close to
Aso Rock.
Aso Rock.
I'd like to get there.
Let us make our way to Aso Rock.
Okay. So we're heading to Aso Rock right now.
Yes. So this is the way to Aso Rock.
Okay.
This is Aso Drive.
Aso Drive.
From here now is Aso Drive. So each time your president is going to the airport, this is the road he takes.
Okay.
Yes. This is the presidential road to the airport. And this is his presidential route back to his.
So he doesn't use like a helicopter from the airport.
No.
From the Aso to the airport.
No.
Okay. He's driven.
Why will you go with a helicopter when there are beautiful roads for him to drive in Abuja?
For safety reasons.
Abuja is very safe.
Safe. Okay.
Abuja is very, very safe.
You know, before I came to Abuja, I was hearing there is coffee in Abuja.
All
And I was surprised.
all those things are rumor. Abuja is very safe. At least in Nigeria, Abuja is the most safest city
place. Yeah.
I know in Nigeria, where you can. Sometimes I stay outside till 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock. Nobody harasses me. Not even police.
Yeah.
So all those while they are saying they search people's phone in man. They don't try those things in Abuja. Because you don't know who you are stopping to search his phone. You don't know who is his father, who is his mother, who is his uncle.
Yeah, it's true. I guess.
So this is Aso Drive.
Yeah.
Why it's called Aso Drive? It's Aso Rock Drive.
Yeah.
That's why it's called Aso Drive.
Like leads all the way down to Aso.
Yes. This is where you have the SS headquarters. This is where you have the Vice President office.
Yeah.
And this is where you have the National Assembly.
And the National Assembly.
Yes. And most of the barracks in Abuja are located in these houses. Because of their own safety.
Yeah, it's true.
So, where you are looking at directly, this is Aso Rock entrance. It has many entrances.
Okay, this is the entrance to Aso.
Yes. Look at National Assembly.
Okay, here.
Yes. Look at it.
Yeah. Okay,
you can see the National Assembly.
This is the straight is just direct to Aso Rock.
Yes. This is Aso Drive.
These DSS guys, they've harassed me before at Abakaliki. I was doing this kind of video in Abakaliki.
Nice.
So I never knew that where I was driving in was by a DSS headquarter or what, I don't know. So they now stopped me and even cocked his gun. Me, I was smiling, you understand? You know, just to calm de-escalate the situation. So I was just smiling. I greeted him. He said, "Do you know where you are?" He said, "No," because that building looks like a school, like a university. So I never knew I was his
This is the Vice President office.
We're here.
Yes.
Okay, Vice President. Osibanjo.
Yes. So you can see National Assembly and
okay, the President's office is different from the Vice President's office.
So you can see the National Assembly.
That's
it's under renovation.
Okay, renovation, I see.
National Assembly is inside Aso Rock.
Okay, this is the Aso Rock.
Yes.
So all of this place is also Aso Rock.
So there is no rock inside it.
Okay, there is no rock in Aso Rock.
Yes. It is the
power is the rock.
Yes.
So even this way on our right now is still Aso Rock.
This place?
This way.
Well, that one is not inside Aso Rock. It's on Diplomatic Drive.
Because this is exactly where you said Osibanjo's, the Vice President's office.
Yes.
So it's not inside the Aso Rock.
No.
The Vice President is not inside the Aso Rock.
No.
It's only the President.
Yes.
I felt like they share the same office. That's right. They don't share the same office. The President and the Vice President.
The office of the Vice President is different.
For real?
So this place now is the President drive-through.
Yeah. To the airport, right?
Yes.
Does he move around apart from going to the airport?
Well, not in this regime. Maybe he'll be moving around. He can't be staying inside the distance, but
but nobody will know.
Nobody will know. He goes to mosque at the Central Mosque
in Abuja.
Yes. The Central Mosque is in the Central Business area.
Oh, okay. So there is no mosque for him in the.
There is mosque in Aso Rock.
There's
mosque in Aso Rock.
So, but he leaves that one to go to the Central Mosque.
When he chooses, like.
Okay, feel like So the president does he live in the Aso Rock too?
Yes.
He lives inside. Okay.
And there are other people who live in Aso Rock. There are individuals have properties in Aso Rock too.
Properties? What do you mean when you say
they have buildings? Individuals
have buildings.
Yes.
Their own buildings or government buildings.
Their own buildings.
In Aso Rock?
Yes.
For real?
Yes. You know, Aso Rock was built by Babangida.
Okay.
I think so.
Okay.
So because of military coup, when he was planning the place, he used those individual buildings as shield.
Yeah.
In case of military attack. You know, the way you will attack where military are staying and where civilians are staying cannot be the same. So he created a distance that where individuals are liable to buy properties inside Aso Rock.
Okay.
So they use them as shield.
Okay, yeah.
You cannot attack Aso Rock anyhow without casualties of what do you call it? Civilians.
Okay.
You understand?
Yeah.
So that was exactly what we've been stopped. This federal secretariat, where you have different government listings.
Yeah.
You understand? This place is federal secretariat.
Okay.
You have like you can see by the right.
Yeah. What's this building? Yeah, at the front.
This is supposed to be the president's office. You know, this is head of civil service office.
Okay.
This is supposed to be where the president.
Yeah.
This is office of the head of the civil service.
Okay.
And the president, by constitutional right, is the head of the civil service.
Okay.
He is supposed to be resuming here.
Yeah, I don't see like a whole lot of like public transportation needs, like as you see in Lagos, all these buses and all of that. So how do people move around?
There are, just that you are not noticing it.
Yes.
All these buses you are seeing are public transport. Some of these small saloon cars you are seeing, the Gulfs are public transports.
Yeah. You bring the coastal buses, right?
Yes.
They are not much. Are they much?
Well, they have good number that are serving everybody.
People, yeah.
Yes.
Maybe most people here have their own personal
That is just the problem.
And there is road.
Yes.
The road is there is less traffic on
Yes.
the road. Yeah.
Yes. So this Federal Ministry of Women Affairs.
Okay. So who is in charge of this Federal Ministry of Women Affairs? Who is in charge?
Should be the minister. No. There's a minister of women affairs. But why? What I don't understand, why is it that there is no ministry for men affairs?
Abuja is calm. Abuja is calm like Calabar. Your Calabar is almost the same lifestyle. It's about working class people.
Yes, Calabar and Abuja are the same thing. Here you only see white collar job.
Yeah.
This is still Wuse district.
Yeah.
This is Aminu Kano way.
Aminu Kano way.
Aminu Kano. Yeah, Crescent or way or something like that.
Yeah.
So you can see the way the traffic is being controlled and the way people obey
it's not rowdy like Lagos.
No, it's not.
I think there is easy life in Abuja than in Lagos.
That is the thing. They are rich. Life in Abuja is easier.
Easier.
Yes, and the stress here is not too much.
Yeah.
You understand?
So we are still in Wuse, right?
We are still in Wuse district.
Okay.
But this is another phase now.
Okay.
Like I said, Wuse is one of the biggest districts in Abuja Municipal Area Council. If you come to Wuse, you have sub-streets.
Yeah.
You have crescents, you have close, you have...
This one is just a major...
This is just the major road that we are trolling on.
Yeah. So where are we right now?
We are in Maitama, close to Transcorp Hilton.
Transcorp Hilton?
Yes.
What's Transcorp Hilton?
You don't know Transcorp Hilton Hotel?
Okay. it's like GAC companies in Abuja. I'm always seeing GAC. This car called GAC.
Yes, yes.